Hello my friends. I'm going to do a Dutch pour today, and instead of the usual bright colors which I'm so very fond of, I'm going to use black, white, and silver and see if I can't come up with a dramatic, exciting composition. So we shall see. I've got two blacks. I've got just a flat black and then a metallic black, two silvers, a light one, and then same one which I added some metallic black to come up with a dark. Well, actually I think this was a different one, but I did add, it was darker than this but so similar that I decided to add some metallic black to make it darker. And then I've got white and what's this one called? Pearl, maybe? And then for the base coat, I'm going to just do a split coat of white, and then I tinted this gray again with the metallic black. So I'm really anxious to see if I can get something pretty with these limited colors. So let me pause, get the base coat down, and then I shall return. Okay, I finally remembered to lay out my base coat kind of at a diagonal, so that will help, I think, with composition. So far so good. Now what? I'm going to start with the black, the biggest contrast, and probably do my usual kind of this way and that way. Or maybe I'll run it along the line here. That's what I'll do. Okay, maybe the dark silver. Light silver. Oh wait, that wasn't the dark silver. That was the metallic black I added second there. Okay, this is the kind of pearl. No, this is the plain white. Okay, now this is the pearl. I don't know. It's kind of warm. The other colors are all cool, so I don't know if I'm going to like that or not, but we'll see. And now the dark silver. I'm going to run 2 courses of this. No more black. Oh, maybe I'll use the metallic black one. Just what else? What else shall I do? The white is not going to show up much over here. Maybe I'll use that pearl again. And Okay, I think that should be sufficient. I don't know what my husband's watching on TV, but he's really enjoying himself out there. Okay, I'm going to go this way, and this way. Okay, on cool and high. You know, the black is, that I was concerned about, too much black. It's hardly making an appearance. I'm going to add more. Okay. Oh, yeah. There's always something that's troublesome. This looks great. Like that. I'm loving the negative space. I've just got to do something with that. So, I'm going to add more black. I even like the little lines in there. My buddy Nikki in the UK does not generally like undisturbed areas like I do, but I think I'm converting her. And okay. Oh, I hope this works. Oh, I love that. I'm really like, I almost like it like that, but I just feel, I'm just going to blow from here. I like that. I'm going to leave that alone and just please cross your fingers. And here we go. Okay, that's better. It provided some contrast that I didn't have before. I like it. Okay, now do I want to do any palette knife? Pulling anything out? I don't think so. I'm liking the whole thing, my friends. Yeah. With all that silver in there, when it dries, it's going to be quite something. Well, it's nighttime, so I hope the close-up will help can appreciate it in the at night like this, because there's always a shadow from the phone as I bring it down. But there's that area I added to, and I really like those lines there. I hope they don't disappear while it settles. Got a lot of nice lacing over there. Liking this part very much too, right in here. This part is a little washed out perhaps, but I'm not going to mess with it. Well, I'm pleased with it. Not sure of the orientation. This would probably be the bottom. I don't want to mess with it right now, but yeah, this would be the bottom here, and that's the top. Woo, well, I'm happy. Let me know what you think. And thanks for joining me. I'll see you next time.